Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have studied adapter classes. In the current lecture we are going to study inner classes, lecture number 29 from event handling chapter. Inner classes. An inner class is a class defined within another class or even within an expression. A class which is defined within another class or which is defined within an expression is called as an inner class. This section illustrates how inner classes can be used to simplify the code when using event adapter classes. To understand the benefit provided by inner classes, consider the applet shown in the following listing. It does not use an inner class. First example does not use an inner class. Its goal is to display the string mouse pressed in the status bar of the applet viewer or browser when the mouse is pressed. There are two top level classes in this program: mouse pressed demo extends applet and mouse adapter. My mouse adapter extends mouse adapter. The init method of mouse press demo instantiates my mouse adapter and provides this object as an argument to the add mouse listener method. Notice that a reference to the applet is supplied as an argument to the my mouse adapter constructor. This reference is stored in an instance variable for later use by the mouse pressed method. When the mouse is pressed, it invokes the show status method of the applet through the stored applet reference. In other words, show status method is invoked relative to the applet reference stored by my mouse adapter. Example, mousepressdemo.java. Notice that a reference to the applet is supplied as an argument to the my mouse adapter constructor. This reference is stored in an instance variable for later use by the mouse pressed method. When the mouse is pressed, it invokes the show status method of the applet through the stored applet reference. In other words, show status is invoked relative to the applet reference stored by my mouse adapter class. See this example first of all. Mouse pressed demo. Here this example uses adapter class, not an inner class. This applet does not use an inner class, but we are studying how to use inner class. What is inner class? But first thing we are going to study the adapter classes. Okay, first thing, import the packages. Import java.applet.star semicolon, import java.awt.star semicolon, start multi-line comment, applet code equal to mouse pressed demo, width 600, height 400, close this tag, close the applet tag, close multi-line comment. Start class, public class mouse press demo extends applet, open curly bracket, public void init method, open curly bracket, registration, add mouse listener into bracket, new my mouse adapter into bracket this, close the brackets, close semicolon, close curly bracket of init, close curly bracket of class. Next class my mouse adapter extends mouse adapter, open curly bracket, mouse press demo instance constructor, public my mouse adapter into bracket, mouse press demo space mouse press demo instance, bracket complete, open curly bracket. This dot mouse press demo equal to mouse press demo semicolon, close the constructor, and now handle the mouse pressed event. Write the method public void mouse pressed into bracket mouse event me bracket complete open curly bracket mouse pressed demo dot show status into bracket double quotation mouse pressed double quotation complete bracket complete semicolon. Close this method, close the curly bracket, close the class. Like this way we have studied how to use adapter classes in the previous lecture as well as in the current example. See the output for this example. Java C mouse pressed demo dot java compilation is okay. Applet viewer mouse pressed demo this is the example. When we are pressing the mouse, here mouse pressed message is displayed on the status bar. This is the use of adapter class, and the same thing we are implementing with the inner class. See this example, inner class demo. The following listing shows how the preceding program can be improved by using an inner class. Here inner class demo is a top level class that extends applet. My mouse adapter is an inner class that extends mouse adapter mouse because my mouse adapter is defined within the scope of inner class demo. It has access to all of the variables and methods within the scope of that class. Therefore mouse pressed method can call the show status method directly. It no longer needs to do this via the stored reference to the applet. Thus it is no longer necessary to pass my mouse adapter constructor a reference to the invoking object. See the example. Inner class demo. First thing we are going to import java.applet.star semicolon import java.awt.event.star semicolon start multiline comment start applet tag applet code equal to inner class demo width 600 height 400 tag close the applet tag close the multiline comment start class public class inner class demo extends applet open curly bracket method init method public void init open curly bracket add mouse listener into bracket new mouse adapter bracket complete semicolon close init method class my mouse adapter extends mouse adapter public void mouse pressed mouse event me. This class we have written inside a class inner class demo. Extends mouse adapter open curly bracket public void mouse pressed method into bracket mouse event me close open curly bracket show status mouse pressed. Here references were not passed here. Next close the mouse pressed curly bracket close the class curly bracket close the main class. This way we are writing the inner class. This is the inner class example. See the output for this class also. Java C space inner class demo. All thing okay. Applet viewer inner class demo. See this output. When we are pressing the mouse pressed the message will be displayed at status bar, and length of these two programs inner class demo and mouse pressed demo both the compare these two examples, and code length of the inner class is very less, so inner class is efficient than adapter class. Next example. Next Anonymous inner classes. An anonymous inner class is one that is not assigned a name. Inner class has the name, but in anonymous inner class which has no name. An anonymous inner class is one that is not assigned a name. The example illustrates how an anonymous inner class can facilitate the writing of event handlers. Consider the applet shown in the following listing. As before, its goal is to display the string mouse pressed in the status bar of the applet viewer or browser when the mouse is pressed. There is a one top level class in this program, anonymous inner class demo. The init method calls the add mouse listener method. Its argument is an expression that defines and instantiates an anonymous inner class. Let's analyze this expression carefully. The syntax: new mouse adapter, open close, open the curly bracket, dot dot dot, close the curly bracket. This syntax indicates to the compiler that the code between the braces defines an anonymous inner class. Furthermore, that class extends mouse adapter. This new class is not named, but it is automatically instantiated when this expression is executed. Because this anonymous inner class is defined within the scope of the anonymous inner class demo, it has access to all of the variables and methods within the scope of that class. Therefore, it can call the show status method directly. As just illustrated, both named and anonymous inner classes solve some annoying problems in a simple yet effective way. They also allow to create more efficient code. See the example, anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class demo. First thing, import the package applet awt.event, start multi-line comment, applet code equal to anonymous inner class demo, width, height, applet tag close, multi-line comment close. Here start the class. Public class anonymous inner class demo extends applet open curly bracket, public void init method open curly bracket, add mouse listener into bracket, new mouse adapter open close, open the curly bracket. Public scope of this registration, we are writing the expression public void mouse pressed mouse event me bracket complete, open curly bracket, show status mouse pressed bracket complete semicolon, close this method's curly bracket, close the curly bracket of expression, close the circular bracket and semicolon, and this total part is called as the expression. This up to this is called as the expression, and it is forms a anonymous inner class which has no name. Close the semicolon, close the init method, close the class. Like this anonymous inner class can be used. See the output for this anonymous inner class, java c anonymous inner class demo .java. Compilation okay, applet viewer anonymous inner class demo .java. Here see the example for this. See, mouse pressed works. Okay, like this way we can perform the anonymous inner class example. Here from interface 2 up to the anonymous inner class, whenever we are using interfaces, that program's code length is very large. After using the adapter class, it reduces some part. After using inner class, it reduces some other parts, and after using the anonymous inner class, which reduces the vast amount of code from the program. So these are the points related with each other. This is the anonymous inner class. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you.